A reality check is a method of deducing whether you're currently in a dream or in real life. This is the most critical step in lucid dreaming, dream awareness, dream interpretation, and much more. Let's learn about dream science and reality checks so you can better understand and control your dreams. iDoser.com leads the sleep hacking industry with over a decade of experience in lucid dream induction. We specialize in binaural enhanced lucid dream music, sleep methodology, dream therapy, breathing alignment, astral projection, meditation, and much more. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to join our notification crew. Mastering reality checks is the most critical first step in learning how to induce lucid dreams. Within a lucid dream, you'll have full awareness and control of your dream universe. Used for recreation, astral projection training, or simply dream recall and reading, a reality check is a process you must have absolute mastery of as your development in lucidity progresses. The hardest part of a reality check is remembering to perform it. We have crafted a foolproof method for learning and performing reality checks, used by dream explorers all over the world. This method will guarantee you properly execute a reality check. The basis of reality checks is to take advantage of a universal inconsistency between the real world and the dream world. These discrepancies are usually present in dreams and are therefore easily perceivable. For instance, you can read a book or tell time in real life. In dreams, it's extremely hard to recognize words, letters, and numbers. Text often looks blurry, mixed up, or of a language you don't recognize. Time in dreams is inconsistent, runs backwards, or is stopped. Being aware of the universal inconsistencies between dreams and reality is what gives lucid dream explorers a backdoor into their own personal dream universe. Once you have recognized that you're in a dream, you'll be granted absolute control of the lucid space. Having dream awareness is a powerful experience unlike anything else. Remember, your body is programmed to keep dreams on a subconscious level. This is why you very seldom remember them. There is a universal boundary between your dreams and reality. It will probably be challenging for you to tear that wall down. With our proven methods and some tried and true practice, you'll soon be remembering and controlling your dreams. It is then when an entire world of possibility will be available to you. Ready for the secrets all dream explorers use? As a dream explorer, we highly recommend you wear a watch every day. Using a time check is one of the most common and reliable reality checks available. It doesn't have to be an expensive watch, but you should wear it every day. It should also be digital. On an analog timepiece, the numbers and their positions are implied, so by habit, they're not usually read in real life. It's usually more difficult to tell time on a digital timepiece in a dream. As noted, the numbers may vary, distort, or change. If your critical mind is active, note this as evidence characteristic of a dream. Make this a habit. Do a double check. Look at your watch, look away, and look back again. This can sometimes trick a dream into revealing itself. Every time you look at your watch to tell time, ask yourself if you're dreaming. If for any reason you're unsure about your reality, do a second reality check. Our second reality check will prove definitively if you're dreaming or not. While not dreaming, you may find binaural audio induction from companies like iDoser.com can help train your brain to better recognize a dreamscape. With over a decade of experience in mind audio, many dream explorers use iDoser.com to enhance their experience. Binaural induction can be a powerful trigger for lucid dreamers and is a very common tool for success. So you're questioning your reality and using binaural brainwave doses. What do you do next? If you're questioning your watch reality check, then grab your nose tight between your fingers and keep your mouth shut. Attempt to breathe in through your pinched closed nose. If you find that you can breathe in as usual, you are most likely dreaming. If both your nose test and watch test tell you that you're dreaming, your final step is to look for dream signs. Whenever you face one, you should consider being in a dream. Dream signs vary greatly from person to person and are often unique to a particular individual. However, common themes include being in a particular location, someone behaving oddly, or the presence of a certain object or person from your past. You are now ready to control, remember, and construct your own personal reality in your dream world. Sleep well and good luck on your lucid adventures. iDoser leads the lucid dream industry with over a decade of experience helping users achieve sensory deprivation, sleep therapy, and powerful meditative states of consciousness. Please like, subscribe, and click that bell icon to join our notification crew. Visit iDoser.com for your free Lucid Dreamer Starter Kit and start controlling your dreams tonight.